I didn't get the coaching I get today. I get really, really good coaching from very successful people, and even people that aren't, necessarily like major business successes, just smart people. I solicit a lot of advice. I didn't do that. I thought it made it look like a weakness. It's actually a strength. People start to recognize you as someone who can make things happen, and they want to invest in you. Well, those are the people you want to go and find. I didn't find them early on. Now I spend a lot of money and time asking questions of bright people, typically, almost always smarter than me, to fill the gaps. And so, like you said earlier, I don't want to work for somebody. Well, man, wouldn't it be great if you could go start a business after you figured out somebody else, how they do it and what they do right and what they don't do right?